the remix of my Bob Ross painting.
If you guys want to see what's on the canvas now, I made an update, but you're going to have to come back for part 2. Remixing and remastering Bob's painting. Oh yeah.
Yo, we are back with another episode of me doing art. And the saga of Bob Ross continues. Here we go. So, on the last episode, you saw me and Raina take on the Bob Ross challenge. We each had our own canvas, working on different pieces, but really, we were doing the same piece. Or were we? I don't know. They looked totally different. After I finished mine, I wasn't quite satisfied with it. There was something that was missing. It didn't feel like my piece. I decided to remix it. So, the one thing that I felt was missing, that I felt would make it an Andreas piece, was a creature of some sort. So I took a picture, sent that to Photoshop, and started sketching out some different creatures. So let's get into it. Alright, so we got a couple options here. They're all pretty cool, but I think these orange fuzzy guys are a perfect fit for this mountain lake landscape. Let's head back to the studio, get some paint, and let's see if we can bring these guys to life. Here we go. The first of the bed series and the bed jams, the night jams, the nighttime jams. I don't know if they're gonna be nighttime jams. They're more just gonna be like jams in bed. So whatever that means to you, I'm gonna bless upon your guys' ears, if I may. Yeah, this one's bam, 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 bam. All right, this is an original song, guys. I think we can all relate. I know we've all been there, and I just want you to know it's okay to let it out. Here we go.
There's a girl over there, and she starts to stare. No time for romance, I feel a rumble in my pants. So I squeeze my jeans, cause I know that shit reeks. Clench so tight, hold it in with all my mights. Yeah, I'm holding the thoughts, I'm breaking hearts, trying not to stink up the supermarkets. Yeah, praying from my heart, this gas ain't a shot. I just might explode, my butt's gonna unload. My cracks clamped shut, funny feeling in my gut. Here's to the glutes for holding in the toots. Yeah, I'm holding thoughts and breaking hearts, trying not to stink up the supermarkets as I waddle around, feeling I might drop a mound. Weak at the knees, just got to squeeze when my butt be wheezing. I can't be sneezing, so I let out the cheese, send my thought to the breeze. Now I'm not holding thoughts, I'm still breaking hearts, and I'm sticking up all the super nuts.
Oh yeah. Holding farts. Yeah, it's not a good thing, guys. You gotta let it out.
Woo! All right, well, here you go. Here's the final piece. Yeah, I'm super stoked with how this came out. Following Bob Ross was a ton of fun. Added my own twist on it, made it even cooler. This was super fun. I definitely want to do some more Bob Ross paintings and see how I progress with it. Speaking of that, Simfried Paints, he challenged me to try and do Bob Ross with oil paints. So I've never really worked with oil paints, but I'm down for the challenge. So that'll be coming up in the future. So stay tuned for that. But thanks for watching. You guys are super cool. And that's all I got, really. Till next time. Catch you later.